Matiliano from the other side. Peralta inside the paint, puts it in. Oh, nice. Hello, galing kay Ablaza. Arim. Can't get it to fall. Rebound. Yerman. Block. Travel on Jan. Parehong makulay ang mga buhok ni Jan Ambuluto at Sam Peralta.
Good defense there by Parañaque.
Pasaol, binigay kay Matiliano, attacks the closeout.
Time.
LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Nermal finishes on the other side. 52-31. And O'Neal Rim. It was as high as 30 in the first half. Alvin Pasaol, inusog ang bantay.
Vintage Alvin Pasaol.
Sabi ko nga sa anak ko nung nandun kami. So, tomorrow when we go there, kakaliwete.
Kaliwete,
Ang hirap
oo.
bantayan.
I really asked him. Nagdalawang isip yun eh. Sabi nga niya, ano coach, bitawan ko ba ito?
Kasi ano na siya no? Ano na siya during that time. Rim. Binigay kay Comboy. Nermal is open. Nobody within the vicinity. Look at the ball movement from Batangas. Arim can't hit. Cosa with the rebound. Monte. Medina finishes on the other side. Abdul to Ino. Nandun agad si Monte. Good closeout by Monte. Yambing rises for the three. Cosa to Monte. No good.